everybody, it's Eva.
And Isaac.
And welcome back to another episode of
Sweet Tooth Crafts.
Where today,
We're trying to make something without using a recipe. Like a cookie thing. Cookies. I don't know what type
we're
it is.
trying to make chocolate chip cookies.
Yes, chocolate chip cookies.
And I guess I've made enough that I can kind of tell, but anyways. So please like and subscribe if you want to see more challenges like this or any other tutorials. And yeah, let's get started.
So we're going to start with butter.
1 stick of butter, I would say. Always put butter and sugar first.
Yeah, we're going to put... Can we make cookies before? Should we not? Probably soften the butter. Yeah, we gotta soften it.
Soften the butter. We need a mixer. We don't live here, so how about with a mixer? We have found it. Oh, she's got the little KitchenAid too.
So we're going to be using this mixer.
So we're gonna put the butter in and
Cream?
4 tablespoons of sugar. We've
Got
got sugar in with.
Gotta cream the butter.
You put it all in with it.
No,
Yes, you do.
you never do that.
Yes,
you
you
have
do.
to. Now, let's get some sugar. There was another thing of sugar also.
4 tablespoons.
So we're gonna have one.
Or 3.
Yeah, let's just do 3. Fried eggs. No.
2 eggs.
So you yeah, let's do 2 eggs.
2 eggs and a teaspoon of vanilla.
These eggs are green.
Why are they green? We have a blue egg.
Really weird looking. Smarter. Oh crap, I spilled that.
Don't get them shelled.
Ow! I dropped the entire shell in there.
Oh gosh. And vanilla.
Oh, vanilla. Oh.
Yeah.
See?
Which one? Baking powder, I believe.
Oh, no, both usually.
Both?
Yeah.
Some salt for taste. We didn't use both last, did we? So what?
No,
What?
it's
How much of
different.
each?
I don't know. Like usually 4 teaspoons.
A 4th teaspoon.
Yeah, put some baking powder in. And put some baking soda into it. Okay, now let's mix it. Oh no. Do you need anything else? Oh, maybe. Okay. So let's just do
3.5 cups.
We'll just start with 2 and maybe 3. Maybe like 1 more.
Okay, we don't want to stir it a lot, remember?
I don't even know if we need another 1. Like maybe just a half.
1.5 cups flour, maybe.
We'll just try that and then if we need to add more.
I think we have everything, honestly.
Chocolate chips. Okay. Where were the chocolate? I think she does usually have chocolate chips, but
Where are the chocolate chips? Keep looking. Let's taste it and see how it is so far, at least. Let's see if
more
this tastes good.
Oh yeah.
Dang, we did good. That is so close to actual cookie dough flavor. Like chocolate chip cookie dough.
Oh, it needs more sugar.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, it needs more sugar.
Okay. Yeah, we put 3 tablespoons, so just do 1 more. Because the chocolate chips are all good.
Yeah, well, that's the fine. Okay.
Where do chocolate chips exist? Are there usually milk in cookies?
Chop some of those up.
Ooh, M&M's.
Yeah. These are s'mores M&M's. Hey! Ah! Stop. That's good. That's good. Here, they're fine. Well, we could just put them in like that. We could just make M&M cookies.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
they are?
But it'll crush it.
Let me see. Let me see some of them.
Let's put some in.
Okay, I guess.
But we probably put a lot.
Okay. Just do a few first. Because I mean, there's campfire, so I guess we're making campfire s'mores, cookies.
Ooh, that looks good. Maybe a little more M&Ms though.
Okay, a few more. Mom saved the day with M&Ms.
Okay, I think they're turning out pretty good. So
Yeah,
now
no
let's
more mixing.
try.
We don't want to mix.
Let's try a little bit.
Wow, that went surprisingly well. They're still like, I don't know what it is. They're like a little.
I think I need more flour. Whatever, it still tastes good. It's like, yeah, really like tough.
Yeah, I don't know what this. Why, but if you.
That might be because we mixed the flour after the flour too much.
We're gonna compare it to like a real cookie recipe later and see if it, anything. But anyways, let's get some pans ready and we're gonna roll these into little balls and cook them and see what happens.
Ow.
So we're gonna line a pan with parchment paper and we're gonna cook them for, I don't know, like 20 minutes I think?
No, I think we usually, let's start with 8 minutes.
That's for snickerdoodles.
Okay, not that big, but.
Pretty sticky. But we'll see how it turns out anyways. So I looked up a recipe and we're gonna look over what it says for chocolate chip cookies, okay?
Well, we didn't make some.
2 cups all-purpose flour. So we did 1.5, not enough.
Well,
1
we might have made a
teaspoon.
little bit small.
1 teaspoon. I told you so. 1 teaspoon salt. 3/4 teaspoon baking soda. No baking powder.
Okay, that makes sense. That's what happens a lot. But 3, you had like a tablespoon.
Yeah, well,
That's not even a teaspoon.
yeah,
I did a
well,
little.
I did. There was a tablespoon on one that I did, but that was probably a cake because cakes take a lot more. 2 sticks butter at room temperature.
We did 1 stick.
1 cup sugar. We did like,
Not that 1 cup.
yeah, I don't know how much a
Not
cup is
even
in tablespoons.
close.
2/3 cup brown sugar, so there's brown sugar in it. Okay, kind of
Oh,
awesome.
that's weird.
2 large eggs and 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Probably did about that
Yeah.
as well.
Did a lot.
And yeah, so yeah, okay, that's what I'm gonna look at another one and see what it says. See, this is a 1/2 cup butter,
1 stick and then, but still.
but it also
sugar.
brown. Yeah, that's what kind
So
of.
weird,
And this
I've
one
never
does
heard
say.
brown sugar.
This one does say 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda.
That's
So
what
that's
we
what
did.
we did.
Yeah, so.
But this says 1 large egg, and like, oh man,
It could
it's
be
so
a different
weird.
amount also because, but I don't know.
That's strange, but
We made our own weird recipe.
cook time
8. What? No! Don't. Okay, fine.
10 minutes. Oh, 9:59.
No,
Oh,
that's-
9 hours. Whoops. Okay, so we set it for 10 minutes.
Which is way too much. Not way too much.
It's supposed to be 20 minutes.
What do you mean?
Because 20 minutes is what the recipe
check
said.
Did you check the recipe?
Yes, what all of them said. 20 minutes.
What? Why?
I already said 15 to 20 minutes because that's how it's supposed to be cooked. But
But
we're doing 10 because he wanted 8, and so I was like,
Okay, no. The cookies just beat. Well, the cookies didn't beat, but.
oh my gosh, they're so fat. Yeah, definitely needs more time.
I said we should try.
It stopped preheating for some reason. I don't know how this oven works. Anyways, we're gonna put them on in for a little bit longer. How many more minutes do you think? 5 to 10, 7 maybe?
8.
Yeah, we're gonna do 8 more minutes and see how they turn out then. All right,
Oh, that's
let's put them in. Okay, 8 more minutes starting now. I sound like Alexa. And we will be back with you once they come out. These are still very hot, but this is what they look like after coming out of the oven. I don't know why they're so fat, but
nice.
yeah. They're like cookie balls instead of cookies. I don't know. They didn't spread out enough.
Okay,
Anyways,
now
let's try it.
them.
Maybe. They're really hot right now. So,
Okay, so I guess I'll eat this too. Ooh, looks delicious. Ooh, it's hot.
yeah.
Oh, it's actually cooked in the middle. I'm surprised.
Mhm.
It feels really
Eat it.
strange. It's like a biscuit.
Yeah, it is. It's really weird. I think we made biscuit dough instead of cookie dough. Really weird.
Well, they're chocolate biscuits.
They are. They're like M&M biscuit things. Oh man. Well, now we know how to make biscuits. Oh no. Those are pretty good biscuits too. Those are really good biscuits.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, outro. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's all we have for this video. So please hit the subscribe, the like, and the notification bell if you want to see more challenges like this or tutorials.
And we love to hear your suggestions, so please put them down in the comments below so we can have ideas to do.
Yes,
for
because
videos.
sometimes we run out of ideas. So let us know. Anyways, yeah, that's all for today. So we'll see you next time. Peace.
Bye.